An unboxing of this Icon seat from Harbor Freight. We'll do a follow-up review on it. We'll just do a first impression here. Be a few days before we get to actually take it out to the garage. Got a penny fill on my knife. We took the little red stool that they had the recall on back and got this one upgraded. I can tell you right now that seat's a lot better than the one that was on there. Bigger, wider. Well, it doesn't look like, man, that's heavy. I bet that's 15 pounds, 20 pounds. It's got the nice bigger wheels on it. Looks like there ain't gonna be much assembly required. It's got an Allen wrench with it. Sure put enough tape on it. I do not like the warranty on this. I mean, it's a $100 seat, and we get a 90-day warranty. So maybe I should get directions out, but who wants to do directions? Guess it sits in there like that. I would think we'd have a set screw or something here, but we'll check the instructions for that. They was here. I mean, the only thing I can figure the Allen key was for these if I don't have a set screw in that. Well, here's pretty much your instructions, but it's already put together. It shows that sitting on there. Line up the hose on the legs. Okay, you back on? Insert the large side of the air cylinder in the center hole of the support leg. Place the seat column on the top of the air cylinder. Press down in a firm manner. Well, I mean, that's kind of what we did. Of course, we got it here in the living room, putting this thing together before I go to work. That's pretty spiffy. You got me in there? Me, you, my face. That seems pretty. Man, that padding is a lot better than the one that was on the other Harbor Freight seat. Pretty good adjustment. I mean, I'm on carpet. You can see I can roll around, you know, somewhat freely backwards, anyways, on a carpet. So it's going to do real good in the garage floor. I'll give you an update on a review and tell you what I think about it. But as of right now, I think it's going to be a lot better. I like the back support here on it. It's not much of a back support, but you know, you can lean back a little bit more than you could on the other one. It's not wobbly. I mean, it's built pretty good. I mean, I'm 330 pounds, so I mean, for all you big guys out there, I think you're gonna like this. I got the, like I said, I got the green seat, and this is almost like a plastic on it. Pretty good cushion. Got a good contour to the back and your butt. But well, you can see after we press that together, I can pick it up and move it around. I'm not sure if it's a magnet tray or not. Let's find out. No, I have no clue what that is. Course directions, I didn't see anything in them. It's like a little indenting tray. But there it is. I'll give you an update on the review after I use it for a day or two. We got this that way we can use under a lift, because we can't get SUVs up high enough to stand up under them real good. So some of the jobs, it's easier to sit down and work than kind of be in a strain. But we'll give it a review here in a few more days, like I said, and let you know how we like it. These right here, look, man, they're good and sturdy. It's this pretty strong setup. But like it, subscribe. If you like what you see, got any comments, any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching.